Okay, let's go.
Yun, so guys, may tinry na naman kaming bilhin ni Mrs. I don't know what's the name again, but I think I've already tasted this in Taiwan. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how it goes. My love. Oh wow. Big bites, ah. So, like, you haven't eaten the sauce yet? Like, your bite is on the egg only? Should try another one. Ah, so hot. You can hold the man, diba? Yeah. Ahos. I don't know. Yeah, maybe. So, one more, this bite. In the middle, right? Meron siyang sauce. One more to really get the taste out of it. Oh, Gia wants. What, you want, baby? Wow. Oh, wow. Kainin mo to, my loves, para maganda yung kuha natin sa camera. Yan. Ganyan dapat. Big bites. Patingin ako ng loob. Anong itsura? Okay, so halos nakakalahati na. Anong masasabi mo sa food, my loves? I think you've already eaten more than enough to give a review.
My chicken. My chicken siya.
Have a chicken on it. Okay. And then? I mean, food review, my loves, like how does it taste?
Masarap.
Masarap siya. Okay. What's the factor, kung baga, na masasabi mo masarap siya? Food review. Go on. Oh, sige, ito na nga lang. Pasok ba sa...
Hindi siya maalat.
Okay.
Kung healthy living ka, pwede ka na ito.
If you're... Okay, pag healthy living ka, pero may hotdog.
Hindi, kunin mo lang yung hotdog.
I think may bacon din siya, tapos may chicken din, di ba?
No, wala siyang bacon.
This one? Isn't that bacon?
Hindi to bacon, chicken.
Oh, that's chicken. Wow.
That's chicken.
Okay. I think maganda siya for breakfast, no? Oh, wow. And to think, guys, kanina ayaw niya mag-order niyan. Tanong ko kanina, my loves, mag-order ka ba? Ayoko, my loves. Yeah, kain ka pa. It's no problem. Oh, sa lagi kong tinatanong, pasok ba yan sa panlasang Pinoy, my loves?
Pasok naman. Hindi siya maanghang.
Pasok siya, hindi siya masyadong maanghang. So, ano nga ulit yung sinabi mo?
Hindi siya maanghang.
Kaya nga, hindi siya maanghang. Medyo may sinabi ka nung start eh. Parang yung medyo maasim ba?
Hindi maalat. Aray, sorry.
Okay, bye ka na.
Hawakan mo sa lalaki.
Okay. Let's start. So, I can't really review the food because, as you can see, something happened. I don't know, like, yeah. You can let them see what happened. Yeah. Okay na. Like, the most tasteful one in this food already fell down, but I'm still gonna do it. Yeah. Okay. So, open this up. Wow. What's left after my wife ate is one bite left of the food. But overall, I think it's good. The taste, like my wife said earlier, medyo maasim siya. Maasim na may sweet. And I think yung hotdog na nasa loob medyo bland. Pero I think the flaws balances out the flavor. Medyo flavorful kasi yung claws. Overall, masarap naman para sa akin. Pero, you can't really put salt on that because like, lahat naman ng food sa akin masarap. So, my loves, medyo ano siya, diba? Medyo bland, medyo matabang yung lasa niya. Pero sa tingin ko kasi yung patty niya, yun may siya nag-absorb ng ano, yung mga sauce doon. So, as Pinoys, like, we want flavorful, diba? We want plenty of sauce, yung may sipa, may anghang, may ano. So, I think yung design nun is for the Chinese na kukunti lang yung gusto nilang mga ano, yung mga lasa. Diba? And then, para sa atin, medyo hindi lang siya, hindi mo siya masasabing pasok sa panlasa natin. Kumbaga, sasabi pa naman ni Jan, acquired taste. Ako kasi may ako sa mga food na medyo matatabang. So, talagang masarap siya para sa akin. Like, hindi mo napapansin, mas pipiliin ko kumain ng ganun, may loves, kaysa kumain ako ng adobo na sobrang malasa. Hindi ko sa mga matatabang na foods. Like puto, matabang yan. Tapos yung mga pita, hindi ko sa mga ganun. Yun guys.
Dito pala kami sa canteen.